Your customers are already on WhatsApp, so why make them go anywhere else to get help, book a meeting, or buy from you? In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a WhatsApp chatbot that handles all of that automatically. It's the fastest, most common way to do it, and you can follow along step by step. Before we jump in, there are just two things you'll need. One, a no-code chatbot builder. You can use the same one I'm using here. And two, access to the WhatsApp Business API. Now that second one takes a little setup. I'll walk you through exactly how to get it in step 3. Just wanted to flag it early so you're not caught off guard. Cool? Let's build. First, you need to finalize a chatbot builder. We're using Wotnot here, but heads up, the steps are pretty similar across most no-code builders. So just sign up and we're ready to go. Now, this is where we design the flow. And the flow you build depends entirely on your use case. For example, I'm adding a main menu right here, so users can easily navigate the services you offer. And see these? You can use reply buttons and a button list to give users clean, selectable options. Okay, this is important. WhatsApp Business API is what actually lets businesses automate messaging with customers through a chatbot platform. And this is different from the regular WhatsApp Business app you might have on your phone. Getting access takes a few steps, so I've made a separate video that walks you through the whole thing. The link's on screen and in the description. Go grab your API access, then come right back. Now, this is the last step before you go live. First, preview the bot and run through the whole flow yourself, like you're a real customer, just to make sure everything works. You can also share it with your team for quick feedback if you want. Once it's looking good, connect the API to the flow you built back in step 2. And then hit deploy. And that's it. Your WhatsApp bot is live. So that's the whole thing. And if you want to skip the setup and just have this built for you, we can help you do that. Link is in the description. Come say hi.